viewers.
Hello. I am Rita.
Hi. How can I help you?
Sir, I have kept my power bank in home and my battery level is too low.
Oh God.
Sir, do you have any power bank or charger to make my mobile charged? Here I don't have any emergency charging station nearby.
Mom, you are unlucky I don't have any extra power utilizers with me. Mom, shall I tell you about emergency mobile charger? In which you can use in your emergency purpose.
Yes, of course, sir. It's good to know about new techniques, sir.
3AA battery, 1.5 volt, A4 sheets self-tape and charging cable wire. Let's start. Take the 3AA 1.5 volt battery and roll it in A4 paper. Fix the roll with sellotape. Take any of the data cable, cut the wire to connect with the mobile phone. There is two cable, one is black and red. Connect the red wire to the positive side of the battery and connect black wire to the negative side of the battery. Now the mobile phone gets charged.
Oh, that's good idea, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir, for an amazing idea.
You're welcome, ma'am.
இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.